Hello there. First, what I will show you in this video is how to record in your own native language and turn it into English video. Or that was my aim, and let me show you that it didn't succeed for the first attempt. But let me show you what I find because you can learn from it and you can use it in your own research or in your own videos. So first of all, the first attempt I tried is in YouTube. When you upload a video, you can choose the default. Under Studio and Settings, you can choose this tab, Upload Defaults, and under Advanced Settings, there should be a way to choose the default language of the video. But unfortunately, it didn't show for me. I don't know why, but it should have three tabs for monetization. So maybe my channel is got demonetized because I haven't used it for long. Therefore, it might be the reason. I don't know why. The second thing is I can add language here under Studio under languages, but I figured that it's always processing, so it never finishes. By the way, here when I choose one particular video, this is the third way. Then let me show you. It also, for example, this one, it should be it. This is the way I find it. So under one particular video and then languages, and unfortunately, it's always processing. So I try to find a workaround. The first workaround I wanted to try in this script, which I always use to record my videos because it has amazing AI features like cut out the ums and ahs and shorten the word gaps and lots of things. So I can upload it in segments, but unfortunately, it doesn't give me the flexibility that I just hit record and then publish. So it's not flexibility, but it's very fast. With this one, you can create a very long, very professional video, but this is not what I want. What I want is very fast, lightning fast publishing, and I think this was terrible in terms of it took me more than an hour to record less than 5 minutes videos or six and a half minutes, and then this was the second try. The third one is called HeyGen, and with HeyGen I was astonished with their capabilities with the creating AI author, and I will show you in the next videos how to do it. So the creating AI author works like first I made an author for my face, then I uploaded the copy, the exact video content that I want, and then it made a video using my face, my voice with the content that I give it. So it was amazing. On the other hand, it doesn't have me what I want. Now I recorded the video less than half or about half minute, 35 seconds, and then in Hungarian, and then I want to auto dub it in English. And it has very fancy editing, and it has lots of. It's very loud on YouTube, or the creators are very loud that it can do the same job that you can record in English, and then it will create a multiple language video. But unfortunately, it didn't work out for me. As you might see, it takes 30 minutes to even dubbed for this one video and it never finished it, and every time I refresh um, the screen it never ever finishes. So I figured, okay, I made a commitment to publish every single day no matter what, and unfortunately I couldn't find a workaround for this. So the first one is YouTube auto dubbing. It didn't work. The second one, and also not the studio way, not the particular video. I found a way how to translate all the videos as a viewer, but I didn't want it. I want as a publisher to record my videos in Hungarian and then auto dub it into English, and it didn't work out. So the first way was YouTube. The second way was this script. The third way was in HeyGen, but honestly, none of these worked. The best way to do it, if you want to do it fast, is just record the video, record the screen sharing, and then on screen sharing, first of all, I use Vento, but you can use Loom or you can use any other types of screen sharing videos or screen recording. You can create it very, very fast. So, as I find, this is still the way to do it because I really hope that the other ways will work, and also still hope in I still trust in HeyGen because I think it was amazing how they created the avatar videos. However, it has a learning curve, so I wanted to share because I think it is still valuable for you even if it's not like advertised. But I think you can get around. If I find a good solution, I will report it into my challenge because, as you might know from the previous video, for 90 days I will publish every single day, no matter what. So I hope it's not the same like this one, very low quality. At the same time, I make the commitment. I made the commitment, so I will live up to my word, and I will explain more and more details, more and more advanced topics like thumbnails, tags, keyword research, AI avatars, script writing, hooks, and CTAs, description, whatever. But in this video, I wanted to find a solution for this particular problem because I think many authors have the exact same challenge that it's so much easier to speak in my own language because in English, even if I speak English, it's much harder to understand me. It's much harder to speak without grammar mistakes and other nuances. So I think I'm much more confident in Hungarian, even if I want to publish English videos. I find in recording, I'm much more confident if I record in English because I can always find a way to express myself. I can joke around. It's not like English, which still requires a lot more groundwork for me, and the result won't be as good as if I speak my own native language. So I hope I find a solution, and if I find, I will publish it in this video in this series. But today was my second day of the challenge, and I didn't want to quit no matter what. So I hope to see you in the next video, and keep going.